The Chilean company, Aguas del Valle, presented an environmental impact study to install a desalination plant worth $181 million, which will supply the drinking water systems of Coquimbo and La Serena in Chile. Aguas del Valle intends to start construction in March 2023 and have the plant in operation by 2026. The length of government evaluation periods has been cited as one of the main bottlenecks for desalination development in this country. It is precisely in this area where processes of greatest urban expansion coexist with a high concentration of small-scale production systems. This creates a need for optimal resource management and specific desalination areas. Here the science and policy interface, together with the communities and private actors, must define the strategies to manage discharge sites according to the degree of sensitivity, or the geomorphological and exposure characteristics, tourism, aquaculture, artisanal fishing, settlements in the area. And do not rule out desalination due to lack of knowledge or ignorance. The location of plants must be adjusted to social needs, educate and respond to territorial zoning plans established by regional and municipal governments, be economically viable and respectful of the environment, for which the monitoring capacity of the marine ecosystem must be strengthened, and establish adequate baselines of pertinent information on desalination.